stop everything you're doing, because Land Rover just dropped a bombshell that'll make your jaw hit the floor and your heart scream for adventure. Introducing the 2026 Land Rover Defender Trophy Edition. Yes, the Trophy Edition. And trust us, it's not just a car. It's a statement, a declaration, a bold scream into the void of mediocrity that says, I was born to conquer the Sahara, but I shop for plants on Sundays. This beast is dressed to kill in either Keswick green or deep Sandglow yellow. Colors so rare you'd think they were forged in the center of the earth. But that's not all. Oh no. It's dripping in gloss black across the bonnet and bodywork, with custom front and rear skid plates, flared wheel arches, and 20-inch wheels so powerful, they practically beg for sand dunes or red carpets. Or both. Still not impressed? Buckle up. Land Rover throws in an accessory pack that costs nearly £5,000, and it's worth every single penny. We're talking a hardcore roof rack, a collapsible ladder, mud flaps tougher than your high school gym coach, gear carriers mounted on the outside of the body, and a snorkel. A real snorkel, because normal is boring and rivers are meant to be crossed. And on the inside, it's pure royalty. The paint color even shows up inside, on a steel backplate across the dash. That's right. For the first time ever, Land Rover breaks free from the shackles of white, gray, and black. Now it screams color and confidence, all wrapped in Windsor leather that whispers luxury, while the new infotainment system shouts 2026. Want it? You better move. The Defender Trophy Edition starts at £82,900, plus that £4,995 for the Gearhead Dream Pack. And if diesel is your thing, add £1,915 more. But here's the kicker. It's not limited by number, but by time. So when it's gone. Forever. So the only question left is, are you going to be the legend behind the wheel? Or just another guy in the parking lot?